Assalamu alaikum and good evening everyone. This is me Prapti and today I'm here to talk about two more topics of IELTS speaking test part 1. So let us take a look at them. The first topic is eating out. Do you enjoy eating out? I actually love eating out because whenever I'm eating out, I get to go to a new place, usually new place I would say, because I didn't like going to the same restaurant several times. But yeah, so whenever I'm going to a new place, I get to see new things, I get to try new dishes. So it's always such a fun experience for me. So, how often do you eat out? I would say at least once a month. Whenever my dad is at home, it is usually a lot more than that. But if like it's just my mom and my younger brother, we guys would try to go at least once a month. So, have you got a favorite restaurant? Currently, my favorite restaurant, yes, there is one. It's called Gyokoso. I love the food there, especially their chili oil dumpling and also their fiery ramen. I just love those two things. Like, they have such a kick of spice. Like, you didn't feel it at first, but all of a sudden the kick will hit you, and it feels such a good thing. Like, I love the taste of it, honestly, and all of their food, it's pretty good, I'd say. Most of them, because like the seafood platter, I haven't really tried it. I probably should, but I overall love the restaurant, the environment, the behavior of the waiters and everyone. So I definitely recommend it to a lot of people. So do you like eating at home more or eating out? This one might be a bit more controversial, but I would say I like eating at home more than eating out. So here's the thing. Whenever I'm eating out, there's this con of it that there are gonna be some strangers that could be eating right beside me, like right beside the table of mine. So I would feel a bit uncomfortable eating in front of a lot of people. But yeah, and besides that, my mom's cooking is first class, honestly. Although my dad prefers eating out more, but I just prefer it at home more because I have got that sense of privacy and stuff. And honestly, it's a bit better than the ones at restaurants. And also, the food here is also pretty good. It's controversial, as I've said, but it's just what I like. So now let us talk about the second topic, which is emails. Do you send or receive emails regularly? Yes, I actually do receive emails regularly, but I do not send them regularly. So here's the thing, I am added to a lot of websites. By websites, I mean freelancing websites and stuff. I have accounts to those, and often whenever there's like a job or a gig that is like, recruiting people and stuff, those things, they will send me lots of emails. And also I signed up for a lot of article accounts, like accounts that release articles on Google, and I love reading those articles, mainly the entertainment ones. So I signed up for those, so whenever there is a new update or like a new article, they'll immediately send me an email about it, and I absolutely love these emails. But yeah, there's also some spam emails, but I turn on some notifications and stuff, so whenever there's like a spam email, I check it if it is actually spam or not, and if it is not, then I'll just remove it from the spam section. But yeah, I do receive it. So, who do you usually communicate by emails? I would say the only people that I communicate by emails are definitely my teachers. Sometimes we guys aren't able to go to school and are not able to, send out our assignments. So sometimes we guys can just do the assignment on our laptop, as we guys are not able to be present there, and just send it to the teacher through that. But it is only a temporary measure. And besides that, I also like sending emails to my dad. Here's the thing, whenever like something can't be sent through your WhatsApp or Messenger, I like to do it through my email, and sometimes the videos or whatever I'm doing is way too long to be sent through those two, so I just opt for the email. So, how beneficial is it for you to communicate with others by emails? I would say it is pretty beneficial because email stays there forever unless you yourself delete it or turn on some sort of self deletion function. But most people do not do that. But I would say that it is absolutely something that I find very advantageous, because whenever I receive some emails, I have the records, okay, and those records are obviously valid. And for a lot of incidents, we guys have to use our emails. Besides that, whenever we guys are ordering something, we guys receive emails. That means that we guys have a record of whatever is happening with our items. So I would say that it is definitely very beneficial for me and for my communication. I do not know about other people, but it's just like that for me. So, what are the some problems you have experienced while sending emails? I would say the most problems, okay, the most troublesome problem I would call is definitely how I cannot find my emails sometimes. So here's the thing, sometimes the emails accidentally go into the spam file, okay? Like where they store all the spam ones and like, sometimes delete it or whatever they do. I don't honestly know. But still, it is very troublesome to find those. I like somehow I got a verification code from something and they will suddenly send it to, the spam section, and then my time will run out and I would have to send another one. And that is such a hassle for me to find it from the spam section. But besides that, I would say sending emails and receiving emails both are pretty good for me. But it's the only thing, as I mentioned before, like things going into the spam section is the only problem I have faced till now. And yeah, that is about it.